Hello there. This is to give you an overview of the project we will be building in this course. So basically we will be building a system that allows participants to engage in mutual help, something similar to MMM, a Ponzi scheme platform founded by Mavrodi. Users will be able to register and log in, which is enhanced with Ajax. Users' inputs are thoroughly validated, as you will learn how in the course. A gridder image for notification is implemented to inform users of being merged to receive from more pay users who are eligible on the platform. We have an intuitive dashboard here with details that changes with users' interaction with the platform. We have a box that gives us insight to whether our account is active or not and ready for merging or not, which depends on having an updated profile. We have another box that shows what we have earned so far on the platform. We have yet another box that shows what we have donated on the platform to other users. And lastly, we have a box that shows what donation package we are currently enrolled in. Down here, we have got some clickable buttons detailing each donation package offered on the platform. If we go to the transaction page, we see 2 users that have been merged to pay this user. This is so because this user has paid a user on this platform and therefore is eligible to receive from 2 other users. This process will be automated with cron jobs, as you will learn how in the course. This platform is built on a 2x1 matrix but can be extended conveniently to 3x1 or 4x1 by students who take the course. This page is completely dynamic and changes based on users' activity. The confirm button can be clicked to confirm the user once he or she makes a payment to this user, as you will see in this video. The report button changes to a purge button when the time allotted the specific user to make a payment to this user elapses. The purge button can be clicked to get rid of the specific user, after which another user, if available, will be merged to this user to cover up that payment deficit. If we go to one of the paying users' account and navigate to the transaction page, we see the details of the user he or she was merged to pay. We also see the time given to this user to make a payment to the receiving user counting down. This user can click on the paid button to notify the receiving user after making payment. We show the user a message prompt using Sweet Alert. We can cancel the action or proceed to notify the receiving user, which is done with Ajax. If we go back to the receiving user's account, we see the notification. We can also click on the I can't pay button if we are not ready to pay. In that case, this user's account is deactivated and the receiving user is remerged to be paid by one user if available. If we go back to the receiving user's account and confirm the paying user and refresh the transaction page for the paying user, we see that we get another content telling this user he is waiting to be paid. If we go back to the receiver's account, we see that we have the purge button activated for the paying user that is left. This is so because the time allotted him or her to make a payment to this user has elapsed. If we go to the paying user's account, we see that the countdown timer has stopped, which explains why we have the purge button activated for this user in the receiver's account. On confirming this user from the receiver's account, we get this content thanking this user with 2 call to action buttons to either select an entirely different donation package or recycle that is enroll into the same donation package they just cycled out of. If we click on select package, we are brought to this page to select any of the 5 donation packages offered on the platform. If we click on recycle, we get enrolled in the same package as before. This user who has collected payments from 2 other participants is duly informed on the transaction page that he or she would be merged shortly to pay another user on the platform. And the cycle continues like that. So what are you waiting for? If you learn object-oriented PHP and MySQL with PDO from scratch and master those by building this real-life project, hit the enroll button and I will see you inside the course. Have a nice day.